All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna go over the trade that I took today. I actually took two trades today. Let's go over here. So if you are in my Discord, I just started sending out watch lists, and the watch lists are basically key levels that I chart from a top-down analysis. I've done it for four tickers. I've done it for SPY, Apple, Amazon, Meta, not AMD. So if you want to see more of that and have just that on the back of your hand, let me no, not let me know. Just click the link in the description and join the Discord, and it's all there. So the first trade that I took today is actually based on the confluences in my watch list. So as you can see over here, I planned on taking puts below 549.51, but I did wait a little bit because it was the beginning and the opening of the market. I didn't see to take anything here because I wanted to see if price lasted here, and because even though there were two red candles, it was just still the opening of the market. So I didn't feel inclined to take puts, and also because there wasn't any support level that I drew at the bottom, so I wasn't sure where it was going to bounce off of or where it was leading to, so I didn't take any trades for puts. But I did, however, take a trade. I believe my entry was within this candle right here at 9:33, and I waited for it to rise up. I believe I got out at let me see, where did I get out? I believe I got in at 551 and exited over here when I saw that price was going down. No, I believe I exited. I would show you my Webull account, but it has my account number and everything so that I can see exactly where I got in, but I'm pretty sure I got out. Okay, this is not working. I'm pretty sure I got out here for like a $2 move. I remember thinking like it was a $2 move. So yeah, that was the first trade that I took. And then let me head back to a different chart here. So after I just tested that analysis out, you can see that price really respected these key levels. It respected these key levels. And I was so mad that it got all the way up to almost 560. That's almost that's a $10 move in one day for SPY. And I definitely could have capitalized off of that. But again, confidence. And I was just trying it out. I really was just trying it out. So let's get on to the real that I was actually going to trade on, or that I did trade on. That would be my Heiken trading. Yeah, so this is the second trade that I took. I wish I could, we can't really replay. Well, technically you can kind of replay, but let me just explain why I took this trade. So I took this trade because price was already way above VWAP. I do have my three key levels over here, which is supply, my key supply levels, or is it demand? Demand. My key demand levels, or is it supply? I always forget. And I entered here, this price right here. Let me see if it changes, if it's the same as I would on here. No, not the same. But if I were to take a trade on just the normal candles, let me just go over a trade that I would take over the red, just normal candles. So let me erase these. It's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. I drew these just so I could get a record of it. So as I saw that price was going up significantly, if I wanted to take this trade with not using my Heiken candles, I would just go replay. By the way, there were so many chances to get in. At first, I was actually looking at them side by side. So let's see. You see price goes above VWAP. Now I'll be looking for calls. There's a quick demand right there. And now I'll be looking for an entry to head in. This is where I would get in for a buy. For price to end up right here for a 1-to-1. I know a 1-to-1 is a little dangerous, but I'm figuring it out, okay? So if I put in a buy, I would take profit for a $1 move. Boom, 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 bam. Boom, bam. $1 move already achieved. But because we were in such a high bullish market, there were so many more opportunities to get in. So all you have to do is just look for that key level. And you can see there are a lot of fair value gaps that are being created here. So you could also use that as support. Support key level shows up right here. And then I look for some moves to the downside so that I can have a good entry. I just spot 3 big red candles and a green one. Place in my buys or calls. Come on. To the highest high. Make that a 1-to-1. Oh my goodness. Whatever, you know. So if you put in another buy, you could easily scrape in another dollar move. That's another dollar move. Boom, bam. Like so many entries. And this is why I like this pattern. So many entries. It pops up multiple times in a day. And I didn't really make use of news today. And I don't think we actually even had news today. But there's so many entries that you could have today. If I just found that on just the normal candles and then I switch back to the Heikens, I still find entries there. So yeah, those are my, I guess, 3. I was speculating a lot today. So, but I did have some, I did end the day green. Can get me some gas money or some snacks. So I got like $58, I believe. But yeah, thank you so much for coming to this channel. Let me show you guys just a bit of my Discord. This is where I have all my trade recaps. I do weekly back testing. I haven't started the monthly back testing, but I will be for the month of March. This is the end. I do also post my playbooks, like for today. This was the trade that I took today with the hiking candles. I usually post my playbooks every single day, even if I don't take a trade and even if I lose the trade. Like for this one, I lost the trade, still posted it. I'm still going to post it. This one, lost the trade, but I'm still going to post it because it's my playbook. And even if I'm going according to my plan, my win rate isn't 100%, but that's okay. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah, this is the weekly watch list I was talking about. If you just click the link and see my Discord, you'll see that I have a weekly watch list for the whole week. And if you can see, you see that right there? SPY respected all its levels. You know what? It wasn't just SPY that respected all its levels. Let me just show y'all real quick. Give you a little sneak peek, okay? Let me just show y'all something real quick, okay? Let's go to watch list. I'm going to go through each ticker that I charted, okay? I charted each ticker. Let me turn this thing off, actually. It's kind of annoying. So this is SPY. You see SPY, right? You see what SPY did right here? You see that? It respected this line. If you got in for calls, you got a $4 move. If you got in for calls above 555, you still got a $2 to $3 move. Well, another $5 move. Now let's go to Apple. Do you see what Apple did right here? Apple definitely respected it. It respected it. It even respected it right before market close. At this moment right here, it immediately rejected off of this line. It immediately rejected off of this resistance and immediately rejected off of the support, and price was bullish for the day. Amazon, boom, bam, even tested down here twice. Tested it at 850, tested it at 930, and still respected it. And even in post market, it still respected this resistance line all the way to the downside. So if you were in Amazon calls, you would have got a cute little $4 move, you know? And let's check Meta. Same thing for Meta. Exactly the same for Meta. Respected its lows, respected its highs. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Like I said, you will be seeing my face soon. I just need to buy a dock for my laptop because I have no more slots open to put my camera. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Have a great night, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.